Hey, what's up guys? This is Kayla with Flex Graphics, and I'm going to be showing you how to maintain your WordPress site. So basically, you want to learn to update your WordPress site because you want to improve in your search engine rankings. So if you have a site that's outdated, you're not changing anything, no text, no pictures, then search engines assume that your site isn't relevant. So it's important that you learn to update your site. So let's get started. So to do that, we just go to the left panel and we can click posts. You can click all, add new, categories, or tags. Either way, it doesn't matter. In WordPress, there's multiple ways to get to something. So we'll just do that. All posts. And this will be where all your posts will be listed. To add a new one, you just click add new right here. Of course, the shortcut way was to do it from here. So click add new, enter title. Wow, can't spell. And enter the content. You can add media, like pictures, video, anything you want to add. And when you're ready, you just click publish. But a lot of times, when you're strategic about this, you may want to save as a draft. You may want to preview it before you publish it. You can also check the status. You can change that to, well, it's a draft, or it could be pending review. You can also change the visibility, so you can make it public. It's already public by default. You can make it stick before or stick above all of the other posts that you have. So stick this post to the front page. You can password protect it. You could type any password, hopefully you remember it. Private, that could be for your eyes only. You can publish immediately, or you can publish tomorrow. You can publish all the way to December, who knows, anytime you want, at whatever time you want. You can throw it away, start over. And also we have categories. Now categories is a way to be more organized on your site. So you can create different categories for whatever subject matters you'll be writing about. Also, you can add tags. Tags are kind of like similar to hashtags a little bit. You can say if it's about hair, you would put, hairstyles. You just click, you don't add a comma, but you can click add. You can add brush, something like that. Also, you can set a featured image, but that depends on your theme if it accepts featured images. You could also change the layout. So it could be a full width of the entire page. It could be on the, it's the left. It could be a right sidebar. Those are the sidebars you'll see. So we'll choose full width. Click publish. I want to view the post. I can click here, click view post, or I can click here. Either way, doesn't matter. So there's a title, and it's published by me. This is my name. There's the content. Okay. So this is my theme, which pretty much gives me pretty good design. And it puts the other stuff at the bottom. Okay, so that's it. That's how you add a blog post. This is my theme, which pretty much gives me pretty good design. And it puts the other stuff at the bottom. Okay,